Traditional push-ups are beneficial for building upper body strength. They work the triceps, pectoral muscles, and shoulders. When done with proper form, they can also strengthen the lower back and core by engaging or pulling in the abdominal muscles. Push-ups are a fast and effective exercise for building strength. They can be done from virtually anywhere and don't require any equipment. Doing push-ups every day can be effective if you're looking for a consistent exercise routine to follow. You will likely notice gains in upper body strength if you do push-ups regularly. For the best results, continue to add variety to the types of push-ups you do. You can also follow a push-up challenge where you gradually increase the number of push-ups each week. You can work up to doing 100 reps in 2 months. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you benefits of doing push-ups regularly. So watch the video until the end to never miss a thing. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when you upload new videos. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Our YouTube analytics shows that more of our viewers are not subscribed members. Your subscription means a lot to us and inspires us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Perhaps one of the easiest exercise movements, the standard push-up activates nearly every muscle in your body, which yields far more than toned muscles and increased endurance. If you are not convinced about adopting a push-up routine to your exercise program, or you simply wish to understand the power of this simple exercise, continue watching this video to uncover the real benefits of doing push-ups. Number 1. Improve your posture. Whether you sit at a computer all day or simply ignore the nagging recommendations from your mother or teacher, improper posture can destroy your health and comfort as you age. One of the most common reasons for a lack of proper posture is weak core muscles. In order to properly hold your shoulders and back, your entire core must be strong enough to support its vertical position. When push-ups are properly executed, the muscles responsible for supporting posture are strengthened and fine-tuned. Moreover, as you regularly engage in push-ups, your body will naturally lean towards proper posture. This is one of the most influential passive benefits of push-ups. Number 2. Prevent lower back injuries. There are a few injuries as debilitating as a lower back injury. This essential part of your body supports practically every movement, so if it's damaged or injured, even the simplest of tasks can become excruciatingly painful. As mentioned earlier, push-ups call upon your entire torso to stabilize its movements. By doing so, you will strengthen this vulnerable part of the body. By developing strength in this specific portion of your body, you cultivate muscles responsible for reducing lower back pressure, which is imperative to prevent and treat lower back injuries. Number 3. Increase functional strength via full body activation. As you lower your body to the floor and the familiar burn begins to encompass your muscles, the last thing you're thinking about is the number of muscles you're using. However, this is one of the top benefits of push-ups. As you engage in this exercise, literally every major muscle in your body is called upon to execute the movement. Major muscle groups such as your biceps, core muscles, triceps, anterior, deltoids, and lower body muscle groups are activated to support your body while stabilizing your movements. Classified as a compound exercise, meaning multiple muscle groups are called upon, you train the most important muscles throughout your body. Have you ever wondered why a standard bench press is so easy when compared to a standard push-up? This is why. Number 4. Enhance your cardiovascular system. As stated earlier, push-ups are classified as a compound exercise as it calls upon multiple muscle groups. When you simultaneously engage large muscle groups, your heart must work harder to deliver oxygen-rich blood to muscle tissue. Ultimately, this actively results in an effective cardiovascular exercise, which supports heart health and promotes the reduction of stored body fat. Number 5. Muscle strengthening for health and vitality. One of the most underrated benefits of doing push-ups is the stretch it provides to your biceps and back muscles. As you lower yourself to the floor, your back muscles are effectively stretched, and as you push up yourself to the starting position, your biceps obtain a full stretch. This not only improves your flexibility, which helps prevent injuries, but a well-stretched muscle feature a solid and attractive appearance. Number 6. Protect your shoulders from injury. One of the most debilitating and common injuries for older individuals is a rotator cuff injury. While the severity of this injury is based upon a host of unique circumstances, protecting this delicate part of your body must become a priority. The standard push-up has been found to be among the most effective ways to safeguard your shoulder joints from injury, especially in older adults, because push-ups call upon stabilizing muscles which surround the rotator cuff joint. This area of the body is strengthened and conditioned for dynamic movements. By supporting the strength and health of primary and secondary shoulder muscles, the likelihood of debilitating injuries significantly reduces. Number 7. Increase whole body muscle definition or HGH promotion. Throughout the movements of a push-up, you recruit a wide array of primary and stabilizing muscles. The more muscle mass that's utilized in a strength training exercise, the greater the production and release of a specialized hormone known as HGH or human growth hormone. As a young man or woman, your body pumped out large concentrations of this specialized hormone to support the natural growth of your entire body. However, as you age, the natural release of HGH declines, which makes building muscles a challenging task for older adults. By calling upon such a wide array of muscles, the production of HGH is triggered, which ultimately results in muscle hypertrophy or muscle growth. To maximize push-up benefits, you must incorporate this exercise into your regular strength training program. Number 8. Save time while cultivating a strong body. When surveys are conducted to determine why an individual does not exercise more, the most common answer is lack of time. We live increasingly busy lives, and while exercising is essential for a healthy body, it's most commonly the first activity eliminated from a daily list of chores. Although you may not have time for a traditional strength training or cardiovascular workout, if you have 5 minutes, you can achieve a full body workout with push-ups. Want to add variation to this swift and potent exercise movement? Delve into the many different hand and feet placements to target muscles from different angles, which supports rapid strength and size development. Number 9. No cost for a full body workout. Although you may have a desire to join a world-class gym, their monthly dues may not fit in your tight budget. Thankfully, you don't need an expensive gym membership or even any equipment to obtain an effective and thorough full body workout. By engaging in push-up exercises, you effectively fatigue major and minor muscle groups, which provide the same benefits as a traditional full body exercise performed at the gym on expensive and cumbersome equipment. Number 10. Increase testosterone and reduce osteoporosis development. As men and women age, the concentration of various hormones begin to dwindle. For men, The most prominent loss is the reduction of circulating testosterone. While preliminary evidence requires further investigation, several studies suggest the simple movements within a standard push-up promotes testosterone production, which is essential for a healthy body in both men and women. Moreover, weight-bearing exercises such as the standard push-up supports stronger, more dense bones. This increases the bone density, may ward off debilitating skeletal system disorders such as osteoporosis. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting benefits of doing push-ups regularly. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can apply in your life from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.